Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by building an automation that captures each copy action. Once Shortcuts is open, choose Personal Automation and pick Clipboard as the trigger. This listens for any new copy. Add the Get Clipboard action to grab current content, and then chain an action to store it. Make sure Shortcuts has permission to run automations. You'll disable Ask before running later. This gives you instant recording of anything you copy, which is the foundation of a clipboard history. Next, decide where to keep history. Append each clipboard capture to an iCloud text file or add it to a dedicated note. Insert a current date action, format it for readability, then combine date plus clipboard into one line. Use Append to File, iCloud Drive, or Append to Note so entries stack chronologically. Make sure to toggle Ask before running off so the automation runs without prompts. This ensures every copy gets logged automatically as you work. To finish, open the Note or iCloud file to review your clipboard history. Entries appear with timestamps so you can search or copy past items back. When you want to clean up, edit, or delete lines, or export the file for backup. If entries aren't saving, make sure Shortcuts has permission to access iCloud Drive and that Ask before running was disabled. Also verify background app refresh and iCloud sync are on. If it still fails, toggle the automation off and recreate it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.